Okay, today we're sitting here with Marcus from Spitz Veterinary Care, and we're going to talk a little bit about their products and some of their new products that are coming to market. And Marcus, why don't you tell us a little bit about your background and your products?
So my name is Marcus. My background was I'm trained as a veterinarian. Worked 5 years as a small animal surgeon mainly before I changed to the other side, so to the industry. So I know the medical device side from the clinical side of view, but also from the development, R&D, and business side of view. Spitz Care was founded 5 years ago. We're a company based in Tuttlingen, Germany. Tuttlingen is kind of the Silicon Valley for medical devices. We have more than 400 companies there producing medical devices. And we are one of them dedicated for veterinary medicine. We have a mother company, which is in the human side. So all our products are produced in Tuttlingen. I actually know a lot of people who are working on those products, and we are producing according to MDR, FDA requirements, so really on the high end of the quality side.
Wow, that's pretty interesting. So you guys actually manufacture and then you work with other manufacturers in the region?
Correct. That's a nice thing on Tuttlingen. You have so many companies there. You have short ways to doing developments. You have short ways doing production. And that's really nice because you have so much knowledge in this town that it's really easy to make developments. And we are still small. We are flexible. So we're trying to listen to our customers and make things happen and yeah, have this dedication for veterinary medicine.
Wow. Well, I know that like many of the other known brand names are also based in that region, and
That's right.
it's
Yeah.
my understanding that a lot of those also source the product from a lot of the same manufacturers. Is that not correct?
Yeah, I mean, that's what tootling is about. And they're definitely sourced also from the same sources sometimes we do. They have their own production, but also they're sourcing from the same. Yeah.
Okay. So, how does your systems from Spitz then differentiate themselves from some of the other players in the market?
Yeah, especially when we come into the new developments. So we're currently working, or we have currently developed a new ICG 4K camera system. This was our own development, so we spent a lot of time resources over the last years in this development, and this was done specially by ourselves. And like I said, I'm a veterinarian. I come from the clinical side, and we're working together with a lot of veterinarians. So I guess we put a lot of knowledge, veterinary dedicated to this device, which makes it special.
So it's more brought to market with a veterinary perspective than say like a medical perspective.
I guess so, yeah.
Okay, that's awesome. So that was going to be one of my next questions was can you tell me a little bit more about some of the specific technologies you guys are developing that we will see coming to market?
Yeah, so our company in general is specialized on rigid endoscopy for surgical procedures, so laparoscopy, arthroscopy, diagnostic endoscopy, if you go to the nose or whatever. But we're also working, and that's one of our focus, or have been one of our focus in the last years for development, is new camera systems.
Okay.
So that's what we just mentioned. We have this new 4K camera system, which is now this has this ICG technology, so this fluoroscopic technology that you can use this ICG dye and detect special structures in the body and the animal, for example, in oncology or for other indications, which are really useful and which are really new. So a lot of publications showing the benefits of this. There are new publications to come. There's a lot of work to do, but this is something really where we have been focused on the last years in development.
Okay. I noticed that before you came, I took a quick look at your website and I saw that you guys offered some like basic training type of initiatives as well.
Yeah,
Is that true?
we're trying. Yeah, we are
Okay.
working together worldwide with a lot of partners also to have training and make training available. I need to say we are not as big as, for example, Storz, or sorry, I don't want to mention
okay.
other names,
It's okay.
but we're trying to make training work for in the possibilities we do have. Yeah.
Okay. And if you could tell the audience that's watching, one thing or a couple things that, they should consider when they're looking at different products and brands in the veterinary space, what sets you guys apart? Why should they consider a Spitz product over some of the other ones that are out there?
I mean, one big part is also, like I said, we are still smaller company. We're maybe a more flexible company, but smaller companies don't have this huge administration behind that. So we might be, I will not say cheaper, but more economically. at the bigger companies because we don't have to pay this huge administration background, this huge
Yeah, I can.
building stuff. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Yes, I understand that, you know, working with your company now for a short time, we've been able to see a significant reduction in cost of entry for veterinarians wanting to get into this technology because the pricing seems to be more in line with the budgets that's more
Yeah.
realistic for them.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so I appreciate you stopping today and giving us a little bit of your time and telling us about your products. And great to have you here.
Thank you for your time and thank you for the collaboration. Thank you very much.
Thank you.